Hello, we are the Bring a Trailer, local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we are excited to share with you this exquisite 1970 Jaguar XKE Series 2 Roadster. This is seriously one of the finest E-types we have ever set our eyes on. A full money, no object rotisserie restoration was completed in the mid-2010s. We'll tell you all about it after a cold start and a quick drive. This car is purportedly a lifetime California car. The previous owner purchased it in 2010 with 81,000 miles on the clock. XK Unlimited of San Luis Obispo did most of the rotisserie work. J&J Performance completely rebuilt the motor. The interior was hand-sewn using that OEM red leather. It is completely resplendent in its Jaguar Shadow Gray Pearl. This car starts right up, runs so smoothly, is immensely strong. If you love these British cats, you really need to take a close look at this one. Now on Bring a Trailer, you can find out more information at Genau AutoWerks.com. Thank you very much.